car, but I think
These are beautiful.
this one had a crazy in it too, wasn't it?
Oh, this Cadillac's got crazy motor in it. Holy.
That's Cadillac.
So it looks like a regular
Fancy engine.
Corvette engine.
I know.
You look at it. I'll never do that.
I'll give you all a good look at the snowbirds.
There's a big change in crowd.
Yeah, this is a changed crowd than last time we were down here. Eurocharged.
You gotta get the weird people over there too. You see the steel people?
It's a better look at that Mustang. I mean Camaro. What am I saying? Mustang. A Mustang on the brain. Gotta be careful down here with the music. They'll copyright our asses. Okay, nothing too fancy here. This is weird, this whole...
Popcorn's free, you know, saying no.
Yeah. Edsel, yeah. That's worth looking, just to get an old... $475?
What was that one? Ford was Edsel, I believe, right?
Yeah.
You got the vinyl covers like we used
We
to
had that on the 56.
Tuck yourself on the corner. The old sticker.
By Edsel from Ontario.
Nice chrome on the bumpers. Whoever redid
Beautiful
that.
shape. 59, this one. A 59 maybe? Yes, on the plate gives it away.
Big one. More engine than the whole car.
The car basically is engine, that's it, right? We got this other metal guy here. They're all over the place. Wizard of Oz. Here we got two boats over here, land yachts. It's got to be an 88 Oldsmobile. The 98 didn't have a convertible, I don't think. I could be mistaken. Yeah, oh, Royale. Yep, Delta 88 Royale. Jesus is down here to see us again today. And look at this caddy on this side. I wonder who's got the longer wheelbase. Probably the same exact frame, right? Wow. A Jersey Cadillac, old man. Wow. How many bodies can... What's that?
That was my first